I'm a little bit excited this morning because I've come to Southampton and I am going to be going on a cruise ship. But this is a tour this time. I wish I was going on a cruise because cruising is fantastic, but this is the next best thing. So the tour this morning is with MSC and it's going to be on the beautiful Preziosa. I've only ever been on one MSC ship before and that was Virtuosa. If you want to see my experience, then please click in the playlist that I'm going to put up here to see my experiences on her, which, spoiler alert, was fantastic. So I'm hoping to be able to film as much as possible and bring you along. Travel agency, they really lovely. I've spoken to a couple of ladies already, and now I'm just standing in the queue to check in, because you have to check in with your passport to make sure that you can go on the ship without any issues. Yeah, just waiting here to get a special MSC lanyard which will give me permission to board. Yeah, excited. Oh dear. Well, this is disappointing. Get all the way here, have a lovely chat, get the joining instructions, find out what I'm supposed to be doing, get to the port, my name's not on the list. Thankfully, it's not a good thing, it wasn't just me. There was a family from Cheltenham and a family from Banbury who've come all the way down this morning to see the ship, and they're not getting on either because of an admin error. They have to inform the cruise line and the port who's going on and off the ship 48 hours in advance, so we're not allowed on board. Rather annoyed, but thankfully I've just got a trip back to Bournemouth to do rather than Banbury and Cheltenham, these poor people. Anyway, so I'm going to do some close-up shots of the ship and see what I can see from here while I'm in Southampton. I'll show you what I can. So let's have a closer look, shall we? Disappointing. Short and not so sweet. I'm supposed to be about there right now, and I'm not. A bit frustrating. So I'm going to drown my sorrows in IKEA, which is where I am right now, which is why I get a really good view of the ship. Drown my sorrows. I'm in the cafe. I'm in the cafe in IKEA right now. So, hot chocolate and meatballs, anyone? Thanks, IKEA.
Yuck!
So that was my day in Southampton. It didn't turn out anything like I expected. It went from really, really happy and excited to utter disappointment to let's just have some fun with the time I've got. So in that old adage, when life gives you lemons, let's make some lemonade. And thank you very much, IKEA. I had a lovely time and found some furniture that I wanted to have. So thank you. This is definitely not the content I was expecting to make today, but I'm glad you stuck around with me and thank you for joining. And I hope to see you next time. So until then.